All right, that went really well. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this XtremeSkin install. Huge shout out, XtremeSkins, for giving me the opportunity to represent. And I got a few extra that I could use later on sometime in the future. Got the silverback wood, brushed aluminum, and the carbon fiber skin. And I got 3 more little G's there for Google as far as the waveform skin. And I gotta tell you, the turquoise and the waveform camera bar skin just looks great with the G waveform little tiny guy skin there. Yeah, that just looks really, really nice. Now, I didn't use the blow dryer. Typically I do, but because we have a flat back, a flat camera bar with my case here, the Covert 6, that's gonna help out a lot. But when using a blow dryer, just like I showed you at the beginning of the video, please constantly move it around. Never let the heat sit in one area. You will damage your phone and you'll damage the skin, but more importantly, your phone. So yeah, that's really, really huge. But yeah, man, everything looks super bold here, super tough. Just loving the opportunity to be able to review and share these type of videos with all of you. Link down below in the description area. Should cost around 13 smacks, coming out of the UK. And that's a great price. That includes the skin and the shipping. Give it a little time to get to you. But come on, man. That right there is just bold. Thanks for watching, everyone. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.